Well, we're a generator manufacturer, and we use alternators on the back end of the engine for electrical output. And we've chosen STAMFORD. It's been a great choice. They provide value. They were immensely helpful in our engineering to put together the package initially, and have come through with keeping promises on deliveries, working well with our aftermarket team on aftermarket parts and things like that. Plus, we're finding great performance out in the field, most notably really key motor starting characteristics, as well as doing very well with some of our harmonic loads that we see in many of our applications. Well, STAMFORD's a leader in the industry. A lot of manufacturers use STAMFORD. There's a reason for that. That comes with value, and I'm sure there's probably cheaper alternator manufacturers out there, but you're buying more than just a hunk of copper and cold rolled steel. You're buying relationships and help in the marketplace, both prior to and after the sale, and that's what we need. We are fundamentally supportive of our customers for the long term.